Hey guys, today we will talk about the problem you might face from your key Mercedes C300 2007, which will not allow you to start your car. You go into your Mercedes C300, you put the key here in the morning or especially after a weekend, and you try to start it and it will not start. So the problem is the following. Here there is a chip which is generated by two batteries inside. And when the battery go dead or become very low, the chip don't get electrolyzed. So an easy fix till you change your batteries or till you figure out if you need one key or not, all you need to do is to put this key in the injection, click this while the key is in the injection to energize everything and turn it on, and in most cases it will start. So you put it inside, you push it like that, you push the key like that to energize it, and you turn it on. I will do it from this angle. You push it on, you push this key to button to energize it, and you turn it on, and in this way you create an extra boost to the chip here from the dead battery or the low battery for you to start the car. Stay safe everyone, and this is an easy fix if you end up stuck in the middle of nowhere with a key which not turning your car. Just remember this.